But what happens if we run out of persimmon? We lose our friends. Go out first. Let's just see if they huddle around you. Now they spread out.
He got some persimmon for you girls. Uh-oh.
Watch, they can see the orange. Look at that immediate response.
Oops.
Yeah, they like this stuff.
Oh, they're scared of the big ones, huh? You have to divide it because, yeah, see? The small ones can't compete with the big hens.
That one does.
Okay,
that was going to be bigger, but they can make up for it with raising.
Tim have some treats for the girls and the rooster. You're not giving it in whole, right? You're gonna...
Oh, like you did.
Okay.
Boy, they're the first in there. Boy, that red one is so competitive now.
The ones at the back. Go inside, Han.
Hard to open. Are you following me? Okay. It's a pup. Look, Rudy's giving. He's trying to make points.
The speckled, Han. You're neglecting the speckled. The two of them. The speckled, two speckled. Uh-oh. They're kind of low on the picking order, so they're like being bullied and what. She's drinking.
Why is she?
Who was that? It's the brown? Me, this is how I do it to them. You have to give them in. So. Oh, here, Red.